Dum, dum. Oh, your name, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Last night I saw you standing, and I started pretending I knew you, and you knew me too. And just like a brownie, you were too shy. But you were the only one, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I build up my confidence, and next time you come my way, I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. I started to write you letters, but I wanted to be more clever. I wanted to get down and sweet talk you, yeah, baby. But just like a baby, I could not talk. And I started to come closer, but I could not walk. And I think of it every night. How I just cannot get it right. Oh, if we ever come close again, I know what I'll say, baby. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute, baby? To know your name, oh girl, one more chance with you again. I will not let it go, babe. Babe, give me one more chance for love. Baby, yeah, yeah. I wanna know your name. Can we talk, baby? Girl, I want to know your name. Come and talk to me, baby. Come on and talk to me, baby. I wanna know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Come on and talk to me, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. Can we talk for a minute? Come on and talk to me, baby. I wanna know. You better tell me your name, baby. Just fooling.